I'm seeing way too many people make this mistake when building the bubble applications. Let me show you the problem and how to solve it. So in your scheduled workflow section within Backend Workflows, I'm seeing all three of these checkboxes being checked, and that's the problem. Let's go through each of these checkboxes and what they mean. So by checking this checkbox, it means that your endpoint is public and anyone can find it. Normally, we only want to do this when we're working with like a Stripe webhook, or we're calling this workflow from one of our own bubble apps that is a different app. Otherwise, let's uncheck it. Then this workflow can be run without authentication. Again, this means that a user that is not logged in can run this workflow. That opens us up to vulnerabilities, and we don't want to check that unless we need to. Finally, ignore privacy rules when running this workflow. This means that a user without the appropriate permissions can trigger this workflow. Again, we want to uncheck that. So it's nice that we have the ability to bypass these situations sometimes when an admin is running workflows or some kind of back-end functionality to keep things updated that you're setting up. That's fine. But otherwise, we want to have all these things unchecked as much as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this bubble tip. And if so, please follow me on Twitter or subscribe to me on YouTube for more. I'll see you there.